everyone, welcome to the Confident Dancers channel, and if you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. In today's video, you're gonna learn a beginner-friendly travel pattern. So as you go through this class, make sure you have about a 6x6 space to learn. We'll be traveling forward, back, side to side. This video is also mirrored so that you can watch the screen as if the screen is a mirror and you could follow along with me. Now, if you're someone who's struggling to learn hip hop dance, don't know where to start, or just think you're too old to start something new, let me coach you personally, and the link to work with us is in the description box below. All right, let's get started. All right, everyone, let's get started. This is a traveling pattern, so we'll be going side to side, front and back, and it's 5/8 counts long, okay? So for the first pattern, we're gonna do a slide step variation. So with the slide step, you're basically stepping side to side. You would side, 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 side. So when you step out, the gesture leg slides. So this isn't the step that we're doing, but let's just practice this and then we're gonna do the actual variation of this step. So for the slide step, you're basically doing the same thing, right, left, right, left. So you go right, left, right, left. Yeah, one more time. Right, tap, left, tap, right, tap, left, tap. So with this variation, you're gonna do a 180-degree pivot turn. So this is what the step looks like, and then we'll break it down. So going to the side, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you do the slide step 4 times. On the first and the third, you pivot. So slide step, and then when you tap, you pivot to the back, do normal side step, and then again, slide step, pivot to the front, slide step. Okay? So let's do that 2 more times. 5, 6, 7, slow. Side step, pivot, slide step, slide step, pivot, slide step. Last time. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next step we're gonna do is a 2-step moving back. So gentle reminder of what a 2-step is, you're just stepping side to side. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, that's a 2-step. But for this, we're gonna travel back. So every time we step, we move in a diagonal going back and then tap, okay? So let me show you what that step looks like and then we'll break it down. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we step back and then tap front. But when you step back, your body is in a diagonal. So step back, tap. Now switch, step back, tap. Now diagonal again, and diagonal again. So our body is always facing in a diagonal instead of staying square, okay? So let's try that 2 times for practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's put the steps together, the slide step variation with the pivot and the 2-step going back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next step we're gonna do is a cross step, okay? So when you cross step, it looks like this. Just watch. Cross and then tap, cross and then tap, cross and then tap, cross and then tap. So when I say cross and tap, when you cross, your foot is flat, and then when you open, you tap the ball of the foot on the floor. When you cross, the foot is flat, and then when you open, you tap the foot on the floor, okay? This is gonna help you with your weight distribution staying center. So you don't, at this time, you don't wanna always shift your weight side to side. you want to keep your weight center when you do that cross step. So weight is center, tap, weight is center, tap, weight is center, tap, weight is center, tap. Let's try that again, one more time. 6, 7, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's put it together. We're working in progression. Let's put together the slide step, the walk step back, and the cross step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2-step going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now the step that comes next is called a camel walk, and we're only gonna do 4 camel walk steps. So let me show you what a camel walk looks like front, and then I'll show you what it looks like side. So this is what it looks like going front. 6, 7, I'll just show you 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sideways, which is the way we're gonna do it for this class, looks like this. 6, 7, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and teach it with this profile view. When you're doing a camel walk, which is a step that is origins date back to James Brown. This is a James Brown step actually. When you're doing a camel walk, you wanna bring all of your weight into the front foot. So when we do this, we're gonna step right, left, right, left. So with my right foot, I drop all my weight or plop all my weight in my right foot, and my left foot delays, and then it just stays in this position where my toe kind of just stays on the floor. So all of my weight is in that stepping foot. And then you do the same thing with your left foot. When you step forward, drop all your weight on the left, step forward, drop all your weight on the step forward, drop all your weight. Okay? So let's try that 2 more times for practice. The goal is to make sure that 99.999% of the weight is on the front foot when you travel. You don't want to do even weight on both feet. So let's try it. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So just for context, let's try it together, but face each other on the camera so that we can practice the weight dropping to the front foot. Last time facing this way. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let your arms relax. All right, let's do that camel walk one more time. And then after that, we're just gonna take 4 steps going back. Okay, starting with the right foot. Let's try it slow. 6, 7, camel walk. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then walking back with our right leg. 4, 3, 2, 1. So now let's actually put it together with the cross step going forward, camel walk, and then walk back. So there's a little transition that happens in the cross step in order for us to do the camel walk, and we're gonna do a slight pivot. So slow, let's walk through that slowly. Here we go. 6, 7, right foot cross, open, cross, open, cross, open, cross, and then when we open on that last one, we face the side to go camel walk. 2, 3, 4, walk back. 6, 7, 8. So for this pattern, whenever we do any steps to initiate in each sequence, we're always starting with our right foot. Let's do that one more time with the cross step, starting with our right foot. And then when we go into our camel walk, we also start with our right foot. Let's try it together one more time. 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right foot goes 1, 2, 3. Right foot goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's put it together one time before we do our very last move, starting from the slide step, the step back, the cross step forward, camel walk, and then walking back. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take it back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Camel walk. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk back. 7, 8. So the last move we're gonna do when we close this off is a cross turn and then pose. So with our legs slightly open, you're just gonna cross right in front of left. Right in front of left, lift up the left foot to do a turn. Lift and then hop out. That's a little cheat code. When you hop out, it allows you to catch your balance from the turn. So let's try that one more time. We ended up here, walking back. 7, 8. Legs are already open. Cross right in front of left. Pick up the left foot to turn. Hop open and then cross your arms in this pose. Okay, so now let's put this sequence together from the beginning. We're gonna do it 2 times, 1 slow and then 1 faster. Okay, here we go. So this tempo, a 5, 6, slide step variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross step going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Camel walk. 1, 2, 3. Take it back. Walk back. Here we go. Cross turn pose. Cross turn pose. Okay, last time, let's go faster in this tempo. This tempo, a 5, a 6, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross step, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Camel walk. 1, 2, 3. Take it back and 5, 6. Cross turn pose. Cross turn pose. Yeah. So if you want to try it with music, go ahead and click on the YouTube short below where we do this exact sequence with music. All right, folks, now you have a fun pattern to do, traveling, bringing people together. You got some fun moves under your belt that you could do in any space at any time. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, subscribe to our channel, and share with others who would also love and benefit from this video. We drop videos just like this every Tuesday. All right, see you next week.